Productions.
Outstanding.
Welcome again, it's your boy Eldorado. And in this video, we just want to take a little look on this control plugin controller from SSL. As y'all know me, I'm a big fan of the solid state logic sound. And when we see them come out with this particular hardware unit, I was like, whoa, I got to get my hands on this, But when you check it out and I check the price point, I'm on like, whoa, But we're still planning to get it. Anyways, the savings have to go on if we get this plug-in controller surface and if we get the plug-in them and other stuff. There are other stuff other than this, but I think they come out with the fader part first. But this come out like a couple of days ago or a week or something like that. And I've been watching a lot of videos on it and people been using it and so forth like that. And to tell you the honest truth, I really like it. I like how it speed up workflow when it come on to mixing, and it lets you use less plugins to achieve a certain sound. If you're not looking for the SSL sound, I guess this is not for you. But for me, I really like any form of manufacturer with model SSL, it always have a very distinctive sound where you can say, alright, I really like this. But for the people them who actually make the console and so forth like that, they model a lot of things same way. The model the 9000 series console sound, in which me see it in a lot of plugins, with that name. And however, with that all said and done, really like they are the ones who do it, and them go do it to the best of them ability. So here's a little video. Just I'll play it. Hope it play. Cause my internet wicked slow from the other day. So I just want to make it load a little bit, and then we play it. So it's past half. So that's that for that. And one of the most fundamental thing we really understand with this plugin control surface is like you can open like the channel strip within the DAW, and it have a 360 app that as you can see in the video. Let me see if I can find it back. And the second, mute this. Must can't find some. Let me just scroll through it. Yeah, in this 360 app. So if you have 5 channels open in your DAW, it only shows 5 channel strip here. So if you have 20, it shows the same, and you can make adjustment from here, and it happens in the DAW. And what me really get to understand with the bus compression part, on the right, as you see it here, every channel will have the bus compressor. It shows to the right. So another key thing to really note about the virtual console, it really look really fantastic. I mean, like how it look. It just, to me, with this pharma stuff, it speed up workflow. I really think that them really focus on when building it, and the knobs and the control surface, they are all rotary knobs, and then are really stuck when them like reach 100%. Them just continuously are, what you would call them, some sort of continuous knob or something like that. Yeah, so over on the right side, the left side is the EQ section. The right side is the compressor section, gate and expander. In the middle, you have the bus compression part, and with metering and so forth like that. And you can, have the search and 360 button here to just bring up the 360 up on your screen, and you can pick preset from the plugin from the controller surface. So in terms of workflow, I think it speed up a workflow. Instead of visually mixing, you can do what you do and skip through, and listening while you're making the adjustment instead of making the adjustment visually. So in terms of listening to the ears and mixing and a speedy workflow, I think this, for me as a mixing engineer, it is really a bang for the buck, and it really would work out for me personally. So I think what I'm going to do, I'll go grab this plugin further down in, me as a plugin, this controller. I really like it. And for me, I think it's like like a console they make, and they sell it part. So that's what I personally think, and it is really something to really look at, because SSL products them can reach in the tens of thousands of US dollars, and if say they are making affordable stuff now, it's a real dream come true. And I have been looking at the Fusion also, nice bus compressor. And if you own like the channel strip already and the bus compressor from the previous version, you get the upgrade one that works with the plugin controller for free. So please do leave some comments below. Tell me what you think about it. If it's good to you or if it's bad for your workflow. So as you can see here, SSL sound and workflow, and really like them sound thus far. And I have a lot of SSL stuff on my mixes, so definitely something worth looking into. Really like how it look. It look really phenomenal. So look on the picture. Internet extremely slow, so I highly doubt it go load it. Yeah, now go load it. Anyways, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Tell me what you really think in the comment below about this plugin controller surface, if you would get it or not, or how it would have worked for you in your workflow or stuff like that. So until next time, it's about Eldorado. Peace out.